Good morning students. Today we are going to see the topic pinhole camera. So what is pinhole camera means? Pinhole camera is a small device which help us to understand about the rectilinear propagation of light. So what is that? To understand about the rectilinear propagation of light. So in the picture we have given the tree, one is inverted, one is in the straight way, which we are able to see. So the picture that is this is a model of a pinhole camera. Here we have to set one of the box. Then we have to, here O is a small hole by a pin. We have to take a one box, and then in that we have to make a small hole, that is a O. So here xy is this is a x and y. So this is a object, and here x dash and y dash, this is the inverted image. So which we are going to see through the hole. If you see through the hole, the image will be inverted. So the light that is traveling in a straight line. So the light always travels here from x to x dash, that is traveling in a straight line. So y from y to y dash. So this everything is traveling in a straight line. So the light ray from the x, that is traveling along the, so this x ray is traveling from the along the xo. So what is that? X, that is travels along the xo, that is striking the x dash. So this strikes the x dash, and the same way for the y also. So the another light ray, that is starting from the y. So this is the y. So this is traveling along the y-o, and this is striking the y dash. So this is the y and y dash. So all the rays that is between the x and y, that is falls on the screen between the y dash and the x dash. So here y dash and the x dash, that becomes the image of x and y. So this light travels from the x to x dash, y to y dash. So what is the light is traveling in a straight line, strikes the in the center at center O. Then at last what is that? We are getting that this is an image. From this image only the light is traveling. So at last we are getting the same image as an inverted image. So this is the pinhole camera. So here the image that is producing is temporary. For example, we can use the simple paper also for this. So the image can be made permanent. We are taking one of the box, no, that it should be the permanent, that it should be permanent. So if the paper, that is replaced by a photographic plate also. So this is the pinhole camera. So next we are going to see the reflection. So reflection. So what is reflection means? For example, if you take a mirror, if you see your face, your same face you can see through it. So how it is? How can you see the face on the mirror? So that is the reflection. So that is a bouncing of the light rays. Bouncing of So the reflection is the bouncing of the light rays. So if you see one of the, if you take a mirror and if you see that, in that you can see your face. That is by through the light rays only, the same light rays that is bouncing through, getting back. So that is the reflection. So the reflection, so we are clear about the reflection. So next we can see the incident ray. So what is incident ray means? The light falling on the mirror. So the light is falling on the mirror, that is called as incident ray. So the light falling on the mirror, so that is called as the incident ray. So and next, what is reflected ray? So the some light is falling on the mirror, yes or no? So that is the incident ray. Again it is getting back. So that is the reflected ray. So and the light is reflected back. If it is reflected, so if it is a reflected back, that is the, what is that? That is a reflector ray. So that is the reflector ray.